I have to go the other way. Ow. Hi guys. Assassin Airsoft Squad back after a long break with an e-bike $200 unboxing. That's what the video will be called. I have my helmet on because my hair looks awful right now. I have my Overwatch Tactics patch and my, take this off here, the Overwatch Tactics patch and the Latin Spartan patch that says Fight or Flight. So yeah, it's been a while since I've made a video. I have a lot coming though. I have new handguns and I have new rifles and new everything. I don't know which is the top. I'm gonna assume this way. But yeah, this was about $200 on e-bike. Got the free 3-day shipping. So let's go ahead and pop this sucker open with my handy dandy biohazard zombie knife that has definitely not been sharpened in a long time. This open. Okay, find this here. Close that up. Always close your knives, kids. Okay, so tactical paper. We don't need that. So let's see here. We'll remove this. It says thank you, 22% off. Okay, so first thing is, where's the front? Where's two things of 2700 .28s because I had a new rifle and that's what it requires. A M9 pistol mag, and I have my M9 here to check and see if it fits properly. This is a ASG M9 tactical, and it looks like it works. Yep. Cool beans. Cool beans. So I guess we'll leave that here. It just tells me what I got. So with this, oh, I got a couple things here. We'll start with this. This is the Condor, and this is all gear and BBs and that mag. But all three things of gear I got are Condor. This is the Condor hard shell universal drop leg holster. It was $27, and it has, the only reason I got it is because it has the extra mag pouch, like so. So it has the extra mag pouch. It's in multicam. My BDUs are multicam, multi, whatever you want to say. Here's the Condor tag. Hopefully you can see that. It's universal. I have a 1911 and an M9. So let's see here. Let's see how well this fits. Oh, yeah, that fits perfect. So, and it has the thumb, whatever you call it, thumb release. So there's that. Right back here. So I got a drop leg holster. I got a 6 mag pouch. You guys can probably tell what I got just because of this. This is Condor as well in multicam. And it's got the elastic bands. So as you can see, there's 1 and 2. Here's the, just a look at it. So yeah, this was $27 as well. And the final thing, pull this out of here. Toss the box onto the side. This is a Condor. Oh, jeez, where's the paper? Oh. Okay, I gotta see what it's called. Condor Molly Operator Plate Carrier in multicam. So I've had a OD green buckle vest for years, 6 years, as long as I've played Airsoft. And so I've always just wanted to I've always wanted to just go ahead and get a plate carrier, but I've never really gone for it. So here's the plate carrier. A lot of Velcro and stuff that it's stuck to. So this is the plate carrier. I've never had a plate carrier, so I don't know what's the front and what's the back. I believe this is the front. Yeah, because here, derp, carrying handle. So let's see here. Let's get a nice cummerbund on it. It has some elastic. Molly on the sides. Molly everywhere. Okay. Bear with me in my awful hair right now. I have hat hair. So I put it on. Cool. So, and it has a nice shape to it as of right now, because I have not worn it. So, it's got this in here, a Velcro thing, and Molly all over the place. Let's see, these will go here. This will go on my right side. Helmet. I want a multicam helmet, but I'm not sure when that will happen. So this definitely needs some adjustment. It has some pockets here on the side. That's pretty neat. Neato. I guess this is where it attaches underneath here. So you can adjust how you need it. And I will do that later on so that you don't have to deal with that. So I have multiple things coming. Rifles, pistols. I think I have 2 or 3 rifles to do. I have this pistol. I did the 1911 TAC by Elite Force. So yeah, I have a light machine gun to do. Light machine gun. I'm stuttering. I apologize. I'm losing track. M249 Mark II. That's what it's called by Classic Army. I have a Classic Army ICCS, ISSC, whatever it's called. It's a SCAR cousin. I have a GMP M16 to do, and then I have a P90 by Cybergun. I believe it's Cybergun, but we'll find out. Let me step through all this crap and end the video. Thank you for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe. Let's see y'all in the next video.